Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to increase daily limit on ANZ. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to increase your daily transaction limit on the ANZ Bank web app. The first thing you need to do is to launch your browser and go to ANZ Bank website by entering www.anz.com. Click Login in the top right corner. Then enter your customer ID and password to access your account dashboard. The next thing you need to do is to navigate to the security settings or daily limit section. Once logged in, go to the settings or services menu typically found in the main navigation bar. Within settings, look for security or daily limits. This section allows you to manage transaction limits for various accounts. Then choose the account for which you want to increase the daily limit, such as your checking or savings account. Look for an option like Edit Limit, Manage Daily Limit, or Increase Limit, depending on your current interface. Click on this option to enter your desired daily limit. Then enter the new daily limit amount you wish to set. Note that there may be a maximum limit based on ANZ's policy. Then review the new limit and click Confirm or Save Changes to apply the update. ANZ may prompt you to verify this change by entering a one-time password, that's the OTP, sent to your registered mobile number. Once confirmed, you will see a message indicating that your daily limit has been successfully updated. You may also receive a confirmation email or SMS from ANZ. So, click Log Out in the top right corner to end your session securely. And that's how you can increase your daily limit on the ANZ Bank web app. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.